Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I got a quick little deal alert for you today. Something I was notified about through one of the comments on one of my older Geiger Gold videos. So I appreciate that person making me aware of this, and I thought I would share it with you because it is a really, really good deal. So let's take a look. Alright, so you can see I'm on Apmex's website. I generally don't buy from Apmex too much because they usually have a little bit higher costs, but once in a while they do have, good deals that you need to watch out for. I got a little frustrated with them recently too because I ordered some things off of eBay, Apmex on eBay, and a few days later they canceled my order, so I thought that was kind of mean of them. But anyway, as you know, Apmex is a huge company and sells a lot of product, and let's take a look at this one. You can see here we have a Geiger Gold 10 gram bar for, right here, check and wire, $610.38. Alright, that is a good deal for Geiger Gold. Basically, you can just do the math, right? $61.04 per gram. I mean, I don't know where you can get Geiger Gold for $61 a gram. I know their 1 grammers are $20 more than that. And really any 1 gram is almost $20 more than that. I see them for sale on auctions all the time. People buy 1 gram all the time because, $75, $78, $79 is pretty easy to come up with as opposed to, $610. But this is a good deal, and also notice as well that it's encapsulated with assay. So it's going to come in one of the big plastic squares, which is really cool, and it'll have a serial number on it. So let's see if we can take a look at the back side of it here. Yep, you'll see it'll be serialized and with the security codes in it. And here's the assay, right? It's the certificate built right into it. 10 grams, 4 nines fine. So yeah, that's a pretty cool deal. So at $61 a gram, that's going to be pretty tough to beat. So let me go back up here. Alright, and just as a comparison, why don't we go out to eBay and see what these are selling for. So here's eBay. You can see Apmex is selling them on eBay for $623.47, which is, another almost $14 more. Okay, still a respectable price. And then down here you can see this seller from Germany, which I think I bought from this person before. I'm not sure. I haven't clicked on it. You can see that they want $765, and they've already sold 11 of them. So these are definitely selling. But let's click on this one from Apmex. Take a quick look. Apmex says there's been 19 sold. There's more than 10 available. So people are definitely buying this. But one of the things we always want to check when we go to eBay is what the sold auctions go for. So if we come down here to the bottom, if we click sold, it automatically checks completed. So we see the 623 from Apmex. Okay, looks good. And let's see, here's one that was listed at $767. They took the best offer. I doubt it was, $167 or $157 off. So probably took $10, $20, $30 off, so still probably sold for over $700. This one was listed at $849, best offer. I jumped over a couple of them here. Here's a 10 grammer that sold for $685, so $75 more. So yeah, you can see that these are selling for pretty high out there on eBay. So I think this is a good deal, so that's why I wanted to alert you to it. Let's compare it real quick to like the buying an American Gold Eagle, right? So we come down here, go to American Eagles, and what I'm going to do is I'm not going to pick one that's pre-order or anything like that. Let's just pick a 1 ouncer because that's usually where you get your best price at, right? So there's some pre-sales for the Type 2s coming out. Here's one, but that's got a reverse strike through, and I think they want a few more bucks because of that. Maybe not. It's a 2021. The 2021s are usually the cheaper ones to buy right now, if you can find them. But let's look at the pricing on this one. This is a 2020 American Gold Eagle, 1 ounce. Is a top pick. People are buying it. Now let's take a look at the pricing on that. Alright, so they want $21.39 if you buy with a check or wire, which I would highly recommend. You pay as least amount as possible. So let's do the math on that. So if we go 2139.70, we divide it by 31.1, so we're going to see how much it costs per gram. You can see this American Gold Eagle is $68.80 per gram. And what was the Geiger Gold? The Geiger Gold was $61 per gram. So you can see here, an American Gold Eagle is $7 more per gram. And some people may say, well, I want the Gold Eagle. Everybody loves the American Gold Eagle. That would be a valid point. People do love the American Gold Eagle. But on the other hand, Geiger Gold is considered some premium gold. It is usually not that cheap, and it is a high-end product. So getting it for $61 per gram is really a great deal. So I just wanted to alert you of that, let you know, in case you're interested. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and always remember, let's keep talking bullion.